Before delivering a Bronco to one of our customers, we perform a thorough shakedown. We really want to get a sense of what the owner is going to feel when driving it. It is very important that the interior be comfortable and the quality is up to our standards. The dash components have to work and feel just right. We tune the Alpine sound system in for clarity at higher speeds. These are original SUVs from the 60s and 70s, so we always make sure the steering is as tight and safe as it can be upon delivery. We test and tune the suspension to make sure it's dialed in properly. After a thorough inspection, we listen to the engine. Getting it just right will give the owner peace of mind. During the shakedown, we drive it slow and listen to make sure everything is properly adjusted. After we test the brakes, we drive it even faster, then we put some miles on it. That's how we do it at Rocky Roads.